Okay, let's look at vowel team IE. When two vowels go walking, the first usually does the talking and usually says his name, which is I. E stays silent, I says I. So the sound together is I. Because this is a magic E vowel, that means we have one consonant in between the I and the E. Only one, but E still is silent and I still says his name. Are you ready to start? Okay, let's practice. This is one vowel sound, even though it's a vowel team. E is silent, I says his name. Let's sound out the word. Ripe. Good. Let's sound it out again. Ripe. Good. Say it fast. Ripe. Say it fast. Ripe. Yes, that's the word ripe. The apples are ripe. We can pick them. Here's another one. There is one vowel sound because IE is a vowel team. E is silent. I says I. Let's sound out the word. Wife. Good, let's do it again. Wife. Now let's say it fast. Wife. Say it fast. Wife. Yes, that's the word wife. Okay. We have a vowel team of IE. E is silent. I says his name. I. You ready? Sound it out. Line. Good. Let's try it again. Line. Good. Let's say it fast. Line. Good. Say it fast. Line. Line. I had to stand in line to check out my groceries. Okay, let's try this one with a blend. Remember that there is still only one vowel sound because IE is a vowel team. E is silent and I says his name. Let's sound out this word. Prize. Good. Let's do that again. Prize. Good. Now let's say it fast. Prize. Say it fast. Prize. Very good. That's the word prize. I won a prize at the fair. Okay, now let's take this to the next level. Let's do a multi-syllabic word. This word has 2 syllables. 1, 2. Each syllable has to have a vowel, and each one does. This one has a short vowel. This one has a magic E vowel. Okay, let's practice this word. You ready? Rep. Tile. Good. Let's sound it out again. Rep. Tile. Let's say it fast to see what we get. Ready? Rep. Tile. Oh, does that sound like a word you know? Yeah, that's the word reptile. Like a lizard is a reptile. Good job doing vowel team IE as a magic E.